The guinea pig's ears is
So
shaved.
how much you want to do now?
Yeah, no, shave more hair.
Okay, no, shave.
More.
See right there.
Okay, then we do the ear irrigation. Massage all the dirt out here. The guinea pig giving some gas. Yeah. Okay, at 1.5%. 1% esophageal gas. We just clear the dirt. There's a black dirt inside here. Quite down already. Massage the canal here. And the other ear. Then we need to gas again, never mind. We need to gas again. Just a short gas. 5%. Just shave the hair a bit now. So there's more ventilation. The owner complained right head tilt. Yeah. Right head tilt. So we give the canal here. Just like I checked. There's no ulcers, the scope, but there is a very dirty black discharge and painful ears on palpation of the ears. Wait, we take a cotton bud. Just put some cotton bud here. Okay, so we take out the anesthetic first. Let's check. Still very dirty. You take the thin one, there's a thin button. The other ear, not so dirty. Check the other ears. No, this one's thin one, not so fat. Okay. How is it dirty? Not so dirty. Yeah, it's still black. You can see it's still black now. It's still black inside. It's quite deep in there. Ear infection can cause head tilt or traumatic injury. It's picking up already. Some gas again. Still very dirty. It's 5 months old guinea pig female.
Okay,
What we do is irrigate the ears and get the dirty things out here. Okay, so it's okay already.